Here we are in the Bahias of Huatulco, Oaxaca, Mexico. Very light winds, good conditions for a first long distance solo kayak sail. Going around that headland island there called Isla Mendoza and returning to the bay there for a lunch stop, and then return back to Santa Cruz Bay where I started off. Coming around the back of Isla Mendoza, Bahia Tangalunda, Balcones de Tangalunda residential area. This point here is the residential area of Conejos, which means rabbit. Very upmarket. It's almost low tide, so all the Dragon's Back rocks are fairly exposed, but you've got to be a little bit careful when the tide is higher that you don't paddle over them and get beached onto one of them. The other danger is the little roller waves, so you don't want to get too close there and get caught in a rolling wave either, so you've got to thread the needle through the middle and be ready to paddle. There's the lighthouse way in the distance where I started off from, Punta Recito, one of the islands of Tangalunda Bay. The beautiful dome building is Hotel Quinta Real, Tangalunda Beach, and some little private beaches here.